Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2026 Maestro S800, a car that did not arrive quietly, a car that did not ask for permission, a car that walked into the most competitive segment in the automotive world, the ultra-luxury performance sedan, and immediately made every other machine in that segment feel like it needed to go back to the drawing board. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you will understand exactly why the Maestro S800 is not just a new car, it is a new category, a new conversation, and quite possibly the most complete and extraordinary luxury performance sedan ever built. The Maestro name itself carries enormous intention. A maestro is a master of their craft, someone who has reached a level of skill and artistry so complete that their work transcends the ordinary and enters the realm of the truly exceptional. That name was not chosen casually. It was chosen as a declaration, as a promise, as a statement that everything about this car, every system, every surface, every detail has been executed at the absolute highest level possible. The S800 designation tells you immediately what this car is about. S for sedan, for sophistication, for the kind of presence that commands a room without raising its voice. And 800 for the number that defines this car's performance identity, because under that long sculpted hood lives something that produces exactly that. And we will get to that moment. But first, let's talk about what this car looks like, because the way the Maestro S800 looks is a story all by itself. The exterior of the 2026 Maestro S800 is a masterclass in confident, purposeful design. This is not a car that tries to look aggressive. It does not need fake vents or unnecessary wings or theatrical styling to communicate its intent. The Maestro S800 communicates through proportion, through stance, through the quality and precision of every single surface and every single line on its body. The body is long, genuinely long, with an extended wheelbase that gives the car a presence on the road that is impossible to ignore. The paint, available in the signature Maestro Midnight Obsidian, the breathtaking Aurora Silver, and the deeply dramatic Imperial Bordeaux, is applied in a process involving 12 individual layers, each one hand-applied and hand-polished before the next is permitted to go on. The finish is so deep and so rich that the car appears to glow from within regardless of the lighting conditions around it. The front end of the S800 is wide, low, and deeply authoritative. A full-width front fascia stretches from corner to corner, anchored at the center by a wide, precision grille finished in dark chrome with individual horizontal elements that catch the light with extraordinary precision. The full matrix laser LED headlights are the thinnest, sharpest units ever fitted to a production sedan, razor-thin blades of pure white light that stretch back along the hood and give the front of the car a look that is simultaneously futuristic and deeply elegant. The light signature is unique, a triple blade element that is instantly recognizable day or night. The Maestro badge sits centered above the grille, understated, confident, and completely authoritative. From the side, the S800 is a rolling statement of intent. The roofline flows from the tall, elegant A-pillar in one single, unbroken arc all the way to the rear, never rising, never dipping, always flowing with the quiet authority of something that was designed without compromise. The shoulder line is sharp and precise, running the full length of the body and catching light in a way that makes the car look simultaneously muscular and elegant. The rear haunches are subtly wider than the front, communicating the all-wheel drive performance platform beneath without resorting to theatrical flaring. Flush door handles emerge electronically as you approach, frameless windows with satin chrome surrounds. Every detail is exactly right. The wheels are 22-inch forged alloy units, a 10-spoke design that references precision engineering in every machine's surface. Diamond-cut faces with a dark contrast barrel and a hidden brake caliper treatment behind them. 6 piston units at the front, finished in the same color as the exterior paint. The tires are Michelin Pilot Sport S5, developed in collaboration with the Maestro engineering team specifically for the weight, power, and chassis characteristics of the S800. The fitment is architectural, perfectly flush with the arches at every corner. The rear of the 2026 Maestro S800 is wide, clean, and deeply commanding. Full-width LED taillights stretch across the entire rear, connected by a light bar that illuminates in a single dramatic sweep. LED technology delivers a depth and richness to the light that conventional LEDs simply cannot match. The Maestro lettering across the boot lid is in individual hand-polished platinum letters, not chrome, platinum. Below it, the S800 designation in the same finish, precise, significant, and deeply satisfying. Quad exhaust outlets sit symmetrically at the lower corners of the rear bumper, wide, round, and finished in dark chrome. When this engine is working at full capacity, those outlets glow faintly from the heat passing through them. A detail so specific and so beautiful, it feels deliberate, because it is. Now, the engine. And this is the moment the 2026 Maestro S800 separates itself from everything else in its segment completely and permanently. Under that long sculpted hood lives a 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8, hand-assembled by a single engineer who signs their name to every unit before it leaves the facility, producing 650 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque on its own. But the V8 does not work alone. An advanced 48-volt hybrid system with a single rear-mounted electric motor adds an additional 150 horsepower of instant electric torque on demand. Total system output, 800 horsepower. 800 in a luxury sedan. 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. 0 to 100 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. Top speed, electronically governed at 205 miles per hour. Not because the car cannot go faster, but because at 205 miles per hour in a luxury sedan, the experience is already so extraordinary that going further serves no purpose beyond the number itself. The 9-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts in under 80 milliseconds, imperceptible, immediate, and perfectly matched to the character of the powertrain at every point in the rev range. The intelligent all-wheel drive system distributes torque between all four wheels continuously, reading steering input, throttle position, lateral acceleration, and road surface conditions simultaneously, and adjusting power delivery within milliseconds to keep the car perfectly composed at all times. Step inside the 2026 Maestro S 800 and the experience reaches its most complete and most extraordinary expression. The interior is the result of over 3 years of development, involving material scientists, acoustic engineers, master craftsmen, and automotive designers working together towards a single goal: to create the most refined, most beautiful, and most technologically sophisticated cabin ever fitted to a performance sedan. The dashboard is a single sweeping architectural piece, stretching the full width of the car from door to door without interruption. At its center, a 15.6-inch OLED touchscreen sits flush with the surrounding surface, frameless, borderless, and so precisely integrated it appears to float within the fascia rather than sit on top of it. Flanking it on the driver's side, a 12.8-inch digital instrument cluster presents all driving information in a clean, customizable display that transforms completely based on the selected drive mode. In Grand Tour mode, the displays are calm, warm, and understated. In Sport mode, they become focused, precise, and performance-oriented. In track mode, the entire cockpit transforms, red accents, maximum data, lap timer prominent and centered. The ambient lighting system offers 1,024 individual lighting zones throughout the cabin, more than any other production car, allowing a level of atmospheric customization that has never been possible before. Sunrise, midnight, storm, candle,
Each preset transforms the entire cabin into a completely different environment. The transition between presets takes 90 seconds, a deliberate, cinematic fade that feels like the car is breathing. Now, the price. The 2026 Maestro S 800 starts at approximately $285,000 USD, fully specified with the rear throne package, Sonus Faber audio, full carbon fiber interior trim, panoramic roof, and all performance options. You're looking at $340,000 to $380,000 USD. For 800 horsepower, a hand-assembled V8, the most advanced cabin in any production sedan, and a driving experience that genuinely has no equal, this is not just competitive pricing, this is a statement that the Maestro S 800 came to win. In a world where luxury and performance have always existed in tension, where choosing one has traditionally meant compromising the other, the Maestro S 800 refuses that compromise entirely. It is as fast as a supercar, as quiet as a limousine, as beautiful as a piece of sculpture, and as technically advanced as anything that has ever worn a license plate. This is the 2026 Maestro S 800, the master of everything, the benchmark of nothing, because nothing that came before it is relevant enough to compare. Like, subscribe, and we will see you at the next masterpiece.